We're gonna make a slushy for Santa Claus. But we need the ingredients first, so we have to send our ingredient man to get all the stuff together. And we'll call you back in a minute. Okay, we'll put the ice in the blender and we're gonna chop.
Oh, wow, new sneakers? Yeah. Okay, so where are they gonna go?
Blender's not plugged in.
Let's put them somewhere.
It's snowing out. Okay. And we take it off this. Take the snow, put it in the cup. Okay. Go get me the stuff, the coloring. What's the coloring? Where did we get this from? Okay. Okay. Cherry.
Oh my gosh, I hate when that happens.
Don't move the cup.
No, I wasn't. It's
I know.
It's
Here we go.
just a little.
Yeah, no, you're gonna.
There we go.
Yeah. Here, you got a spoon. Now. Very good. Needs a little more. And just wait for it to melt a little bit, and you got a, what do you call it? A slushy. Yeah, you want to try a slushy?